Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your ING bank account to PayPal. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com. You can't do this directly from the PayPal app. Next, log in to your PayPal account. Next, scroll down to your PayPal balance section. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Instantly Top Up Money via Ideal. Click Login with PayPal. Then choose ING Bank as your payment option. Enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transaction. And that's it. Your money will be transferred instantly from ING Bank to your PayPal account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.